Honk, honk. Written by Kalpamira. Consonant pattern NG. Sing. Things. Wings. Consonant pattern NK. Bank. Drink. Honk. Syllable pattern consonant vowel. B. Go. No. She. We. High frequency words. Around. Come. Find. Full. Grow. Hear. Little. Look. They. Under. What? What did we find under this tree? What did we find in the nest? They are little things. We look around for the mom. We have no luck. She must be around here. We come back so we can see the chicks grow. They like to go to the bank to drink. The chicks get full. We see the wings grow. They don't sing, but they honk. We see them fly around the pond. We see them fly up to the sky. Honk, honk.